The district recently enabled an extension called Kami that will allow you to open and mark up or annotate a PDF document. If you have an assignment that has a PDF document assigned to you, click on it, and on the next page you will see a blue box at the top that says Open with Kami. When you click on that, you'll be taken to the Kami page. You'll see the document, and you will have the ability to write on top of it or type on top of it. You may see a pop-up here that asks you to allow Kami to write to your Google Drive. You want to enable that and then click through your login information so that when you're done, it will save to the Google Drive. There are two main parts that you will use to write on a PDF. One is the text box, which works like a traditional text box. You can pick the font size and the color that you want to use. Click where you want to type and type what you want. You can always, of course, delete. You can click away from it. You can click back into it and edit it. Works just like a regular text box. The other tool you might use is the drawing tool. The drawing tool also, you can choose the thickness of the line you want. So if I, for instance, wanted to circle something, I might use a small line. Or if it is a multiple choice, you might pick the thickest line and put a dot to select your answer. You can, of course, always erase anything that you've typed. And if you come to this little selector tool, you can delete anything you've done. And there is, of course, an undo button to bring it back. Once you've finished working on your PDF, you want to come up to the Save button. When you click Save, I know it looks like you should turn it in, but we can't quite do that yet. This may change in the future, but for now, we want to click the Save Now button. Once it finishes saving, you can go back to your assignment. You have to go back with this little window here to close it and come to the Turn In button here and choose Turn In. And it says it's going to attach that. Go ahead and turn it in. And you can see that you are done. If you have more changes to make, you can unsubmit and mark it up again. I'm going to do that now just to show you. Oops, I may have made a mistake. I'm going to go back to my document, open it up the same way, and you will see when it opens that all of your markup changes were there from when you edited it before. There's my no, and there's my typing box. And then, of course, I can add anything I need to, or edit anything I need to, like giving it a capital, or a punctuation. And you go back when you're done and you're happy with it. You go back to the Save button, choose Save Now, and then you have to go back to your assignment and choose Turn In. And that's how you can edit a PDF using the Kami extension.